remember this melody. It goes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is again going to be a Smith & haul. So I have done lots of Smith & hauls before, so you can check them on my channel if you're interested. And if you don't know anything about Smith & let me give you a small intro that it's a website or an app, you can say, that sells products, makeup and skincare products. So in this you have an option as trials, so you can try out sample sizes of various brands before actually buying them. So these trials cost you at $1.99 shipping. They are free trials, just shipping you have to pay, and in that you get 6 trial points, so you can try out 6 different products from different brands, and if you like those then you can place an order. So I have made a detailed video as well, you can check that as well on my channel. So that videos are like, those videos are most watched on my channel, so I thought of like sharing one more haul with you. So this is the recent parcel that I received from Smith & so I have used all my trial points and I have bought these products. So if you're interested then please continue watching. So this is how the box comes to us. Like, this is the standard Smith & packaging. It's very nicely packed and all, so you don't have any issues with the shipping and handling. So in this you get all the products, like it varies accordingly, like some products have 2 trial points, some have 3, so accordingly you'll get the products. So this time what I have ordered I'll share with you. So like, they sometimes have an offer running that when if you immediately order trial points today or tomorrow, you will get a free, like something or the other free, like a product free or a pouch free. So I have got this pouch free this time. This is from Smith & only. Like, this is the size of the pouch, this much, and it's a very good baby pink color leather pouch. So it is very spacious from inside, as you can see it's white, and it's very good quality pouch. And the pouch itself, they say that its worth is around $4.99, but we get it for free sometimes in offers. So that's our first thing that we got for free. And along with that, these were the like Skittles. These are Skittles. So this pack of 5 was available for 0 trial points, like almost like for free. You can just add it and you'll get it. So last time also I had ordered, like added these Skittles. So last time I ordered the red ones and I had got 5 of them, and this time also I added them and I got these. This is in the wild berry flavor. This is original Skittles. So these I got 5 of them, and each value is written 10 rupees, like 50 rupees here only you get your product, and plus the pouch. So that's the bonuses that we get. And now let's move on to the actual products that we get. So in that also, this time I am quite lucky, like this thing happened with me. Like, I don't know whether it will happen again with anyone or no, but I had added this thing in my cart. This is the Areas by Lara Datta Revitalizing Face Mask. It's the face mask by Lara Datta's brand. So I had added this of 10 gram quantity, 10 gram was available for trial. So I thought I'll try it out, but like, I don't know by mistake or what, I received the full size. This is the 100 gram full size product, but I'll just show you from inside. So this is how it looks from inside. So this I got and I was very surprised to see this. I did not expect this. It's a very good quality luxury product. As you can see, the finishing and the quality is very nice, and the face mask smells very nice, and it's like, it works also great. Like, I have tried it on for 2-3 times and I just love it, and I could not be more happy than this. Then this was our first product. It was available with 1 trial point. Then one more trial point, I ordered this hair serum. This was a disappointment. Like, the quantity is very small, like it's just 5 gram, yeah, 5 gram. So this is it, like this is the size that you get. It is by some random brand by Smith & only. It's a hair serum, Rocky Star brand, and they say that it's a luxury brand, so you just get 5 gram and like 1 point. So this is how it looks, and the smell is good. I have not tried it, but it would hardly be available enough for my hair, so I don't know what to do with it. So the MRP of this one itself is 120. So let's see like how it is. I don't have high expectations from this, but let's see. So that's our next. So another two products are of 2 trial points each. Like these are the hair masks. This is how it looks. This is from the brand Cocoon Nourishing Hair Mask. Two variants I have ordered, like both of them were available. So one is in the olive oil and green tea and apple flavor, like, and this one is with coconut and honey, and like both of them have come very nicely packed. As you see, all the products will be packed and good quality, no like compromise in the quality or not like any duplicate product. All will be original and from authentic brands. Like you will get all the details on the packaging itself, whether it is full size or whether it is sample size. Here you can see all the details are mentioned. So this also says that its MRP is 99. So 299 rupees products, then a hair serum sample, then a full product I got like 100 gram, and this one retails for like this one retails for 335 itself. So this is like just more than the whole product value. This is 335, then 2 for 100, 200 means 535. Then hair serum sample, then these Skittles, 5 of them, 50 rupees, and then a pouch. So all of this you get at only 199, and that too like within 2 days you get the delivery of the products, because their delivery is very fast, and like they will be from authentic like place, authentic delivery person, so don't need to worry about that as well. And after that you get 169 as a cashback in your Smith & Wallet, and you can shop further from those cashbacks. So in 33 rupees only all of this you can get. So I'll leave the my coupon code in the description of the Smith & app. So you just have to sign up with that coupon code so that you get 6 trial points for yourself and start your trials. So yeah, that's all for my video. That's all for my haul. If you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And till then, bye, take care. I'll see you in my next video.